Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best full-size panel bed frame on the market, the LAKKURI 14-inch high-platform metal bed frame. If you're looking to upgrade your bedroom with a sturdy, noise-free, and easy-to-assemble bed frame, look no further than the LAKKURI 14-inch high-platform metal bed frame. This bed frame stands out for its robust construction and practical design, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking durability and convenience without the need for a box spring. Let's start with its key features. This full-size bed frame is crafted from high-quality iron, ensuring exceptional load-bearing capacity of up to 1,000 pounds. Whether you're sleeping solo or sharing the bed with a partner, this frame provides reliable support throughout the night. Assembly is a breeze with LAKKURI's straightforward instructions. You can have your bed frame set up in no time, saving you the hassle of complicated installations. Its 14-inch height and flat panel design maximize space underneath, perfect for storing extra bedding or seasonal items. The frame's lacquered finish adds a sleek, modern touch to any bedroom decor. One of the standout features is its squeak-resistant design. Special materials and structural enhancements minimize noise, ensuring a quiet night's sleep. In conclusion, the LAKKURI 14-inch high-platform metal bed frame is a top contender in the full-size bed frame category. Its combination of heavy-duty construction, ease of assembly, and noise-free operation makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their sleeping experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. See you next time on Product Critique.